I was thinking about that dame upstairs, the way she looked at me, and I wanted to see her again, close, without that silly staircase between us. But of course, closer to her would mean I'd have to be so much closer to him. You know what he'd do when he comes back? Beat my teeth out and kick me in my stomach for mumbling. Every night I'd ask her, "Doesn't it bother you at all that you're married?" And she'd say, "What I want to know is, does it bother you?" Nothing. I mean nothing. Nothing bothers Duncan, Big Chicken, Andrews. So a toast to myself.